What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. I have this super boring clear phone case, and I feel like we can make it a lot better and make it actually look cute. So basically, I'm going to press and then dehydrate lemons and put them in resin. I can't wait for this video. I feel like it's going to be super awesome, so let's dive right in. So the first step is to get the lemons, then dehydrate them. So the lemons finished dehydrating. They actually look really pretty, and now I'm just gonna cut them so they fit onto the phone case, and I'm gonna flatten them with an iron. I love it, but it actually doesn't dry till tomorrow, so that's why you guys aren't seeing this video on Sunday but on Monday. So see you tomorrow when it's dried. So it is the next day. It is all finished. I took it off of the little paper and it actually looks really awesome. So now I'm going to put it onto my phone. Here's the finished product. It actually looks really awesome. Subscribe, like, and comment if you liked this video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you next week for the next video. Bye!